Okay, it's been a while since we made a text tutorial. The last video was about 5 months ago. So today we're bringing it back again. We're going to make a new text tutorial, but this time, this text is a bit different because honestly, it's highly requested, and I'm pretty sure it will be super useful for you guys. Break the text into letters, take the first letter of each word, and follow my instructions. We repeat the first letter, so we can work on the second letter. The most important thing is to stay focused with me. The letters need to be arranged exactly the way I'm doing it, so the final result comes out properly. Make sure everything stays in order, step by step, without mixing anything. This is very important to get a clean and accurate result. Then we separate the letters slightly to make the design look clearer and nicer. Just keep the spacing small and balanced, so the final result looks clean and professional. Then we move the first letter upward, exactly as you can see on screen. Now we adjust the keyframes carefully. This part is very important. Just follow it exactly, so everything looks smooth and clear for you. Then we rotate the letter to -14 degrees, just like this. Then we move the second letter down, slightly below its original position. This helps create variation and makes the animation look more interesting and balanced. We'll rotate it to -14 degrees, just like this. The third letter goes up, just like the first one. This keeps the pattern balanced and makes the animation look more consistent. This time, we rotate it to 14 degrees, not negative. This gives a different direction and adds more variation to the animation. And we apply the same pattern to the rest, one up, one down. But the most important thing is to clean and adjust the keyframes properly. Now, we need a meeting point, not a romantic meeting point, no. I mean a point where all the keyframes come together. This helps everything sync properly and makes the animation clean and organized. Now we'll hide the start of each letter and then reveal it, just like I'm doing. This creates a smooth animation effect and makes the transition look clean and professional. Now we group them all together into one single group. This helps keep everything organized. Now we apply motion blur to each letter. This makes the movement look smoother and gives a more natural animation effect. Now the second to last step is to add a fade in and fade out to the group. This makes the animation appear and disappear smoothly and gives a cleaner final look. Then we go to shadow and set it to 29 with a white color. This adds a soft glow effect and makes the text stand out more. And that's it. We've reached the end of the video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more editing content like this. And make sure to check out the video on screen. It's going to help you level up even more. See you there, and I'll catch you in the next one.